Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educate. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today, we solve addition of fraction. Simple trick. How can we solve simply within fraction minute? Addition of fraction, any fraction in this format. See these three format. 1 plus 2 by 3 is there. 1 plus 1 plus 5 by 2 is there. In this format, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 is there. How can we solve easily? Trick is that. One trick. What trick that is? See this side. See, we easily solve this one. See, the denominator is 3 is there. 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 is 1 time. This means 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3. So, add denominator to this numerator. We get answer 2 plus 3 divided by 3. It means 5 by 3. Okay. Very easily solve this one. Consider 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 5 by 2 is there. See how can we add easily? See 1 by 1 is 1 time is there, so we add 1 time denominator. In this situation 1 by 1 2 time is there. So we add 2 time denominator to denominator we get addition. Okay. 5 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. This means 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 divided by 2. It is the addition of this one. Same that time. Consider 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 is there. Consider 3 times 1 by 1 is there. So we add denominator 3 times to numerator. We get answer. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 10. 10 divided by 3 is the addition of this one. Okay. This time we easily add this format. Fraction is there. This format we using this trick we easily add.